Hello friends, how are you all? So I welcome you in this Hindi class, and in this lesson we are learning today the conjugation of habitual tense. Habitual tense means what you are doing every single day. For example, I speak Hindi. I live in New York. I work at office. I come here in the morning. Habituals means a habit of doing an action, that is habitual tense. So, how do we conjugate the habitual tense in Hindi? It is very important to understand. And this is one of the common verb conjugation that we use all the time. Every infinitive verb in Hindi end with na. For example, bolna, khana. Khana means to eat. Likhna, to write. Dekhna, to see, to look, to watch. Ana, to come. Jana, to go. Baithna, to sit. Kharidna, to buy. Bechna, to sell. Peena, to eat. Kaam karna, to work. All these verbs end with na in Hindi. That na is the infinitive form of verb, which is to go, to come, to learn, to speak. These are infinitive form of verb. It's very important to understand how these verbs are conjugated in habitual tense. So the habitual tense, the first thing, the structure of habitual tense is subject. Subject means the doer, the pronoun, and the pronoun are मैं, हम, आप, तुम, ये, वो, ये, वे. These are the pronouns that we have been learning from last classes. So subject, then comes object. Subject plus object. Subject is the speaker. Object is what you're doing, what you do. And then verb stem. Verb stem is what? When you take off na from the any infinitive verb, it's called verb stem. So bolna, if you take off na, so bol is the verb stem. So first thing is subject, object, then verb stem plus ta. Ta, verb stem plus ta. This ta is for masculine singular. This ta is for masculine singular. Then we have verb stem plus ti. Ti, verb stem plus ti. This ti is for feminine singular as well as feminine plural. Then we have verb stem plus te. This te is for all masculine plural as well as formal, masculine formal. So I have told you a, e, a is a common ending in Hindi. So verb stem plus ta is for masculine singular, verb stem plus ti for feminine singular and plural, verb stem plus te is for all formal and masculine plural, followed by the to be form of verb. The to be form of verbs are हूँ, है, हैं, हो. This will be according to the subject, according to the pronoun. So let's have an example. if we say I live in Banaras, I live in Banaras. So let me tell you what is the subject. The subject is मैं comes first, then adverb of place, adverb comes after Banaras, in. So this would be मैं बनारस में, इन बनारस, मैं बनारस में, and then to live is रहना, रहना. So if you take off na, what is the verb stem? Rah is the verb stem. So this मैं is masculine singular if a male is speaking. So this would be rah plus ta, rahta, followed by the to be form of verb. So the to be form of verb for मैं is हूँ. So it would be मैं बनारस में रहता हूँ, मैं बनारस में रहता हूँ. This means I live in Banaras. So this is a trick for you. The adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb, these are used either before the subject or after the subject. So in a spoken language you can also use बनारस में मैं रहता हूँ. This is also the matter of emphasize, where you want to emphasize. But usually the default is the adverb should comes after the subject. So it would be मैं बनारस में रहता हूँ, I live in Banaras. So what would be for feminine? So same, मैं, then comes adverb of place, Banaras. Then we have may, and the speaker is female. So verb stem plus t. So rah is the stem of rahna, and we are adding t, rahti, followed by whom, because whom is associated with मैं, the to be form of verb. So this would be मैं बनारस में रहती हूँ, मैं बनारस में रहती हूँ. Let's have another example. If you say we live in Banaras, we live in Banaras would be we, the subject. The speaker is hum. How do you pronounce? Hum. Hum is in a spoken language. This means I, in particularly Bihar, Jharkhand and Uttar Pradesh it is used. Hum can be used at the place of मैं. So hum. But if you want to emphasize like we guys, we people, so this would be hum lo. Hum lo. Hum lo means we people. Then comes adverb Banaras में. Now the conjugation. Verb stem is rah, and you know that this is a trick for you all. For all formal and plural, we use for masculine te, followed by हैं, followed by the to be form of verb which is हैं. So this would be हम लोग बनारस में रहते हैं, हम लोग बनारस में रहते हैं. We people live in Banaras. One more thing here I would like to add you, that in a spoken language even a male and female is the same, because this was a male dominant society. Even a group of women, they usually use रहते हैं. You should start noticing it. हम लोग बनारस में रहते हैं. This is for both male and female. Now let's do आप. आप is you formal and आप लोग is you people formal and plural. आप लोग. Then we have बनारस में, बनारस में, in Benaras. So the verb stem is rah. If you take off na, rah. So आप and आप लोग. This is formal and plural. So we add te. The question is here, why it is te, the आप is singular? Because of the formal. So when a subject is formal singular masculine, we still use the masculine plural form because of the formal. Always keep in mind. आप लोग बनारस में रहते हैं. This is for male. आप लोग बनारस में रहते हैं. You people, you formal live in Benaras. What about for feminine? आप लोग बनारस में. So but the verb stem is ra. Now for all the feminine we add ti in habitual tense. In present habitual tense we are adding ti, rahti, and the to be form of verb is हैं. So it will be आप लोग बनारस में रहती हैं. This is for formal, feminine. Now let's do you informal, which is तुम, and for informal plural would be तुम लोग. तुम लोग Benaras. In English we call it Benaras, but it's Banaras, typical. में. Now, so one thing you should pay a notice over here, pay attention here. Rahte. Te is for all formal and plural. But question is, neither, this is not a formal, but tum log is plural. So always keep in mind with the tum and tum log, the default is the te form. There is no answer why it is like this. It is always like this. So the conjugation of tum and tum log is like plural for masculine. So तुम लोग बनारस में रहते हो. The ho is the to be form of तुम लोग बनारस में रहते हो. This is for masculine. For feminine would be तुम लोग बनारस में, stem is rah, then we are adding ti, which is a very common ending, ti, rahti, and followed by ho. तुम लोग बनारस में रहती हो. This is for तुम. Moving to the next, third person, he, she lives in Benaras. Third person, informal near. So informal near is ye. Then the adverb comes Benaras में, and verb stem is rah. So for masculine singular, the common ending that we add with a, like ta. For masculine informal, rahta, followed by है. ये बनारस में रहता है. That is for masculine. For feminine would be ये, like she lives in Benaras, informal near would be ये बनारस में रहती है. She lives in Benaras, रहती है. Now informal for he lives in Benaras, informal for. So informal for is वो वो बनारस में रहता, so rah is the verb stem, we are adding ta, रहता है, he lives in Banaras. What about she lives in Banaras? Informal form would be वो बनारस में रहती है, rah is the stem, we are adding ti, रहती है, वो बनारस में रहती है. Then we have formal near, which is ये, masculine. So it would be ये बनारस में रहते हैं, nasal form of हैं, nasalized form of हैं is formal. Because of ये, though the person is singular, though the person is one individual, because of the formal we are using the plural form. Always remember, with the all masculine formal, the plural form of verb is used, because ये is a one person which is formal, ये बनारस में रहते हैं, and this formal might be your father, your teacher, whom do you respect, it's formal. For feminine would be ये बनारस में रहती हैं. So rah plus ti, rahti followed by हैं because formal, ये is formal. Then we have वे, formal form, वे बनारस में रहते हैं, वे बनारस में रहते हैं. ते, formal, हैं because of the formal plural, वे बनारस में रहते हैं. Then we have वे बनारस में रहती हैं, वे बनारस में रहती हैं. She lives in Banaras, formal form. Then we have all the plural, ये लोग, वे लोग. These people is ये लोग and those people वे लोग. So ये लोग, वे लोग बनारस में रहते हैं. Then we have वे लोग बनारस में रहते हैं, ये लोग बनारस में रहती हैं. For feminine, वे लोग बनारस में रहती हैं. So all the verb in present habitual tense will be conjugated in the same way. So the outline of this tense would be the subject, which is speaker, मैं, हम, आप, तुम, ये, वो, ये, वे. Then adverb of time, like there will be adverb in the morning, in the evening, plus object plus verb stem. We add with the verb stem ta for masculine singular, ti for feminine singular and plural, and te for masculine plural, followed by the to be form of verb, which are हूँ, है, हैं, हो, according to the subject. So I hope these classes, these lessons are helpful for you, and I will come with more videos in the next class. All the verbs will be conjugated in the same way. So please do conjugate some verbs and comment on our videos, and please do not forget to subscribe it. Thank you so much.